What is up, YouTube? It is your handy home girl Danny from Danny Did It, and welcome back to my channel. You guys know this is a DIY channel that shows you just how to do any and everything yourself, and this is another plant video. So I got this recently from Home Depot. I paid under $6 for it. It is a 72 cell ProHex Seed Starting Kit from Ferry Morse, and I also picked up some coleus plant seeds. These are beautiful rainbow colored mixed color plants. I do plan on growing inside a container, and you can see this is the container variety. 25 days to bloom, because who wants to wait? And 25 days is not bad at all. So I am going to be showing you guys how I am going to get started with these, and then of course, because they just don't grow overnight, I'm going to be giving y'all an updated video. But right now, we're going to just focus on planting these coleus. And so to get started, I've already got my soil pre-mixed. I've got the potting mix, Vigoro. I don't know. I got it from Home Depot, but the Sweet Garden Center lady said this is exactly the same stuff as the Miracle Grow for $1.50 less. I also have some perlite, which you know improves drainage and aeration in your soil. So like I said, I've already got that pre-mixed over here. So that's what we're going to be using today. Now, this kit is a full greenhouse situation. You can see here that it looks like there's in the middle, you can split it in half, and actually I'm probably only going to be using half of it right now because I only have 2 seeds, and you know, I obviously want to take full advantage of the 72 cells. So right now we're just going to be focused on the 1/2, and that way you know, once I decide, I think I'm going to try to grow some herbs and stuff, and so yeah, I'll come back and in another video go ahead and refill those, but we're going to get these babies outside. So this is obviously the tray that we're going to be using to hold on to all of the soil, and then of course your top is going to be on here. And so to get started, I'm just going to be using my trowel, and I am going to fill again only the left side here, and I'll be right back. There is some things that you would like to see me grow. You can drop me some comments down below. I am in Virginia. We are in a 8A zone for growing. Like I said, we have already hit our frost date. Today is currently April the 24th, 2022. I'm gonna try to get this video out to you guys in the next day or two. So this is what we got here, and like I said, I went ahead and knocked off the whole top portion. I'm just lightly pressing down in each cell to make sure that it will receive the seeds well. Not really making any indentations or whatever, just literally just compacting the soil. And those coleus seeds are super, super, super tiny. I'm going to just try to evenly distribute them. I'm going to spray the cells first because I don't want to wash away the seeds. So we're going to get the soil moistened before we go ahead and put the seeds on top. And I'm just using this travel size water bottle, and I'm literally just going to moisten each cell. I always put the date on the packaging, you know, until I transfer the information over into my plant journal, just so I know, you know, what days, what I started. I'm not going to heavily, you know, overwater these bad boys. The greenhouse is going to provide enough moisture for growth. And we do have the, there is holes inside. You can see it going through. So that's super, super dope. And it's going to be really easy, apparently, to pull these bad boys out to go ahead and plant into the container. You know, it provides the hexagon to eliminate cellular roots, which can stunt your development. So shout out to these guys for making these things. All right, let's go ahead and get started with putting the seeds in. Bro, again, look how freaking teeny tiny these cells, these seeds are. I'm just gonna put them down here. Oh my Lord, they look like poppy seeds. So I'm just going to put just a few in each of the cells. I do have 2 packages of the coleus, and you know, I want to make sure that they are all potentially getting sown. So, you know, I'm just gonna take a few on my finger, just like that, and drop them into each of the cells. And we've got our half a greenhouse ready to go. Like I said, I already have the date on it, so I already know, but I'm gonna take these babies outside to the rest of my little growing garden that I've got going on, and I will be keeping y'all updated. So we've got some beautiful coleus rainbow mixed colors on the way, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. This is a DIY channel. I'm showing y'all how to do it yourself. And if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you got any questions, drop them down in the comments below. Share with your friends. Remember, if Danny did it, you can do it too. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.